Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel review. For in front of me Xiaomi 13T device, and now I can show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. Niagara Launcher is really beautiful. Here you need to set your favorite apps. They will be on your home screen, and any application you need to open you can find fastly here on the alphabetical line. For example, YouTube, I don't know, Play Store, Assistant, Gmail, or something you wanna find. You can find it in one moment. It's really fast. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher. Open it. Smart Launcher is really great. It's really beautiful. It's lightweight too, like Niagara Launcher. But it's really beautiful. Here we have apps grouping feature. We can group apps by categories. Here we have wallpapers gallery. It's really beautiful wallpaper gallery that it's every day, and you can use your wallpapers every day if you like. You can. And it's really cool. So this launcher is stable, this launcher is cool, but I can't locate this launcher on the first place because of one reason. Here we have paid features and we need to pay for something. For example, for leave wallpapers we need to pay. So I can't get to this launcher in the first place. And on the first place in my top is, as you can see, I can't get first place for official Xiaomi launcher because it's okay. So Microsoft launcher is on the first place in my top. Why Microsoft launcher? Because it's really very functional. Here we have alphabetical line, we have search, we have voice search, we have Bing AI integrated in the system. We have hidden apps feature, we have glance panel. In glance we can set up all our widgets and we don't need to move between thousands of home screens to find the widget we need. And here in settings we have gestures. Gesture feature is a really cool feature, and we can set it up, for example, for opening calculator, or of course you can set up any gest in the way you want. But for example, I want to open calculator but double tap on the home screen, and it works stable, it works cool, and it's really great. So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you are using one of these launcher, but if not, you tell about it in comments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.